Hello everyone, my name is Kendall Holland and we're going to be dissecting a sheep's brain today. We're going to be labeling some terms. Here is my term sheet. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We are going to be looking at the brain at a lateral view. Below here at the bottom is our temporal lobe. Up above that in the middle is our occipital lobe. At the front is the frontal lobe. Up top here is our parietal lobe. Right here is the spinal nerve. At the side here, a little bit in this white area, is the midbrain. Right here as well, near kind of the tail where the spinal nerve is, that is where the oblongata, or medulla oblongata, is right there. Up top here, right here where this vein is where our cerebrum is. At the side here, where this vein is the gyrus, and then below that is the sulcus. Right here is where our corpus callosum is. This big piece right here at the side here is our cerebellum. Up top here as well, we're gonna change the view a little bit. Right here in the middle right there is our central sulcus. This vein right here is the lateral sulcus. Now we're going to go, we are going to change it up a little bit, and we're going to look underneath the brain. This white part right here is the olfactory bulb. It kind of comes into a tail. That is the olfactory tract. Get that out of the way. This part right here is your optic nerve, and right here in the middle of this white piece is the optic tract. If we go down, right here is the oculomotor nerve. And then right here in the middle where this white piece is, that is the trochlear nerve. This piece right here in the middle is our pons. And we are going to go ahead and cut down the middle where this is the longitudinal feature right here in the middle right there. And we are going to go ahead and cut. All right. Looking back in the middle, this part right here, if you can see, is our our fornix. I'm sorry. This part right here is going to be our penile body, or penile gland. At the bottom here, this part right here is our hypothalamus. Right here in the middle is our thalamus. And that pretty much covers it, because we talked about all the other stuff on top. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you learned something. And you have a good day.